Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and this time I'll be showing you how to make a backup of your call records, messages and all other data using the phone's backup and restore option. So you don't actually need a PC. Okay, so at the moment I have an SD card installed. So I can create the backup to the SD card. If you don't have an SD card installed, you can use a thumb drive. However, you will need a USB connector. So I'm just going to plug in the thumb drive. Okay, back in a second, guys. Let me just plug it in. Okay, guys, so I'm back. The thumb drive is plugged in. Okay, so just pull down the notifications and check that it shows that the thumb drive is connected. That's if you don't have a SD card. Okay, so next, just go into the settings and scroll down to where it says System and Updates. And here you will see Backup and Restore. Okay, so data backup messages, call records and other data to external storage. There's also an option to backup to Google. Okay, so choose how you want to backup and restore your data. So there's two options here, external storage or the Honor Suite. So if you're using a PC, just choose Honor Suite, but you will have to download it to your PC. So I'm using my external storage, which is the SD card or the thumb drive. So I will choose external storage, and here it will show the external storages that you have. So like I mentioned, I've got my SD card, which is the memory card, and the USB thumb drive storage. So I'm going to choose memory card, and I'm using a 128GB memory card. Okay, so you can choose automatically backup once per week when the screen is off, the charger is connected and the battery level is above 75%. Okay, so there's a list of the things that you can back up. And it also shows you how much storage space you have on the external storage and how much is required for the entire backup. And you can back up the whole system if you want. The system settings, sorry. Okay, so if you want, you can just choose the ones that you want to back up individually, or you can just select all. And then just go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so for your security backup, data needs to be encrypted with a password. You will need to enter this password each time you back up and restore your data. If you forget it, you won't be able to restore your data. So you'll need to create a password. Make sure it's a strong password. So I'm going to do that real quick, back in a second. Okay, so I'm back again. I've put the password in twice. So you will have to enter the password twice and then just go ahead and hit next. And set password hint to help you remember your password. Okay, so just set a hint as a clue to help you remember your password if you was to forget it. Okay, so I just put my hint as hello. Okay, so this has just popped up. To save storage space, only the most recent backup will be kept if two auto backups are identical. So I'm just going to hit don't remind me again and then hit OK. And then select backup. Okay, so everything is now getting backed up. And there's a little warning there saying, please do not leave the screen. Okay, it's at 99%. And my backup is complete. So just go ahead and hit done. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a backup on the Honor X7 without using a PC. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video, guys. I'm out. Deuces. One last thing, guys, I almost forgot. I'm going to show you how to restore your backup. Okay, so let's just say you've done a factory reset on the phone and you want to save time. You don't want to have to re-download all your applications again. I'm going to show you how to actually restore the backup. So just make sure that you have the storage device installed or plugged in on the phone. So that's either the thumb drive or, in my case, the micro SD card. Just make sure you've got it plugged in on the phone. Okay, so all you have to do is just pull down the notifications and go into settings and scroll all the way down to where it says system and updates, and then go back into backup and restore, and then select data backup, select external storage, and just choose the external storage where you created the backup. So in my case, it was the memory card. And then if you look here, it will say restore from backup, and you will see the date of when you created the backup. So just select it and then just simply go ahead and hit restore. And you will have to enter your password again, the password that you created when you was backing up. So just enter the password and then hit OK. Okay, so I've put in the wrong password. Okay, hopefully it will be right this time. Sorry about that, guys. So just enter the password and hit OK. And then restore media files to the internal storage or the memory card. And go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see now, it's restoring. Restore complete. 4 items have now been restored. And then just simply go ahead and hit done. And that's all you have to do. Okay, guys, so that's it for the video. That was my video showing you how to back up and restore on the Honor X7 without a PC. Hope this video helped you out. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video, guys. I'm out. Deuces.